If you've followed the news at all, you've probably noticed something. Afghanistan keeps showing up in earthquake headlines. Again and again. Not once in a while. Constantly. So is this bad luck? Or is something deeper actually going on underneath the ground? The answer is written directly into the map. Afghanistan sits almost exactly where three massive tectonic plates meet. The Indian Plate, the Eurasian Plate, and the Arabian Plate. Tectonic plates are the huge, slow-moving slabs that make up the Earth's outer shell. And where two of them push against each other, stress builds up. Eventually, that stress has to release. That release is what you feel as an earthquake. The biggest player here is the Indian Plate. It's been drifting north for millions of years. And it's still moving today, crashing into the Eurasian Plate at roughly 3 centimeters a year. That might sound small, but multiplied across millions of years, it's exactly the force that pushed the ground upward into the Himalayas and the Hindu Kush, the dramatic mountain range that runs straight through Afghanistan. Mountains like these aren't just scenery. They're basically frozen proof of an ongoing collision that's still happening right now, just too slowly for you to feel most days. Geologists studying the region have found something even stranger happening deep underground. Beneath the Hindu Kush, part of the descending Indian Plate appears to be tearing away from the rest of it. A rare process scientists call slab break-off. As that torn piece sinks deeper into the earth, it triggers earthquakes that occur unusually deep underground compared to quakes in most other parts of the world. Sometimes over 100 miles down. Zoom out even further, and Afghanistan fits into something bigger. The Alpide Belt, a massive band of seismic activity stretching all the way from the Mediterranean Sea to Southeast Asia. It's the second most earthquake-prone region on the entire planet, right after the Pacific Ring of Fire that circles the ocean most people have actually heard of. This same belt is responsible for major earthquakes in Iran, Pakistan, and Nepal too. Afghanistan isn't an isolated unlucky spot. It's sitting directly on one of the most active seams in the Earth's entire crust. Here's the part that makes these earthquakes especially devastating. And it has almost nothing to do with the ground itself. In many rural parts of Afghanistan, homes are built from locally available materials like mud, stone, and raw timber, without the reinforced concrete or engineered framing used in wealthier, earthquake-prepared regions. There's a phrase seismologists and disaster researchers use to explain this. Earthquakes don't kill people. Buildings do. A quake of the exact same strength can be nearly harmless in one country and catastrophic in another, purely based on what the buildings are made of. So when you hear about another earthquake in Afghanistan, it isn't a coincidence, and it isn't random misfortune. It's the direct, ongoing result of an entire subcontinent slowly plowing into a continent. A collision that's been running for millions of years and isn't finished yet. The ground under your feet, wherever you're standing, feels permanent, solid, unmoving. But underneath Afghanistan, it's actually one of the most restless, actively shifting places on the planet, quietly reminding everyone above it that the Earth's surface was never really finished being built.